Hey there, welcome to the SwellChat tutorial on how to create a new meeting. SwellChat is a powerful video conferencing platform that allows you to connect with prospects, clients, and associates. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your SwellChat account. If you haven't created one yet, head over to swell.chat and sign up for free. Once you've logged in, you'll see your SwellChat dashboard. From here, you can create a new meeting by clicking on the New Meeting button. This will take you to the New Meeting screen, where you can customize your meeting settings. You can choose a name for your meeting, include a meeting description, and choose the waiting room you would like to use. More on waiting rooms on another video. You can also choose for this meeting to be a recurring meeting or not. Once you've created a meeting, you'll find your new meeting in the meeting dashboard. From here, there are several options. You're able to edit your meeting, clone it, or share it. Sharing your meeting link is easy. Copy your meeting link or dial-in info, email the meeting link directly to a guest from SwellChat, or create an ICS file to import to your calendar. When you and your guests are ready to meet, simply start the meeting as a host and allow your guests into the meeting. And that's it. Creating a new meeting in SwellChat is quick and easy. Thanks for watching and have a swell day.